Hello and welcome to the channel. Let me show you my flowers, which are in a half IBC container. So this pink one is Claytonia virginica or virginica, and it has this lovely pink veins on the flowers. This is Primula juliae Wanda, which is now on the it's finishing flowering. This is Corydalis cava, also finishing flowering. Look how the bees are loving these seed-grown plants. This one is Ranunculus ficaria Brazen Hussy, and I am very proud of this plant, which is Anemone apennina Alba, and this one is Anemone apennina Petrovac, and it's actually a posh version of Anemone blanda. And this one is Primula Garryard Guinevere, also from the juliae group. I have my seed-grown Convallaria here, which is going to flower this year. Oh, it is already flowering, so 7 or 8 years after sowing. And this Juno is going to go dormant soon, and yep, it needs a little watering. These are the other IBC container, and this is Allium ursinum, which is already in flower. This is Arum italicum ghost. This is some kind of Ranunculus, and this is Astilbe Dark side of the moon. And what I'm really proud of is the fully double form of Ranunculus ficaria. I like it, and it has sometimes a green center, and the seeds of Ophiopogon planiscapus Niger are ripening. So, oh, and this one is a wild collected polygonatum multiflorum, which starts out as purple and then fades to green. So, and our chickens are awake. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.